Hi everyone. So what is multilinear regression? So it is a technique for predict the dependent variable using multiple independent variables. Which means I am having the function f of xi equals to y, where I belongs to natural numbers, means I belongs to 0, 1, 2. So how can I formulate this? I can write it as x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 plus up to nth term, m of nth term whole plus constant c is equals to my y. So here x1, x2, x3 and so on is my independent, y is dependent. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to implement this. It is similar to the it is extension of simple linear regression. In the simple linear regression, I am using in simple linear regression one dependent and one independent, whereas in the multilinear regression one dependent and more than one independent. F of xi equals to y, f of x equals to y, SLR